Hi and welcome to Pick a Stick Challenge for the month of September. And let me tell you, this is a Facebook group challenge. We do an art journal page, tag, and an artist trading card each month with challenges. And if you haven't seen it before, check out the description box below and come and join us on Facebook. So today I am starting with my journal. This has some sprayed inks from Diane Reevely on it. And, you know, they travel through everything. So the first step in the challenge is carve. So I've mixed up some cold wax with some oil crayon. These are Shiva oil crayons, and got some color. And I'm just using a palette knife to spread that on the surface of this ink that is going to go everywhere if it doesn't get sealed in. So I'm thinking that maybe this wax is going to seal that into the surface. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take something, I don't know, a brush handle, something. Oh, yeah. And there I am going and carve into the wax, because that is the first part of the challenge.
Okay, next step says emboss. Got that covered. What I did is I took an embossing folder, ran it through my die cut machine, and I've embossed a piece of paper. You can see what you get is this raised surface. So, what am I going to do with this? Well, I am going to use this to apply some medium, and I think I'm going to start with, I'm going to see if I can transfer, this may not work at all because this is a very porous paper and this is ink. And so I'm going to try this, see if I can just do yes I can, a transfer with this embossed paper. And it is transferring. Wasn't sure if that would happen. So I'm just getting some texture. And these are archival inks. That's the deep purple. And then I'm going to grab this forget-me-not. Go to another spot. See if I can get a little bit of that on there too. That one doesn't show up as much, but it's a lighter color. That's okay. We did the emboss. All right. Next is dog. Okay, no problem. I have this Tim Holtz dog. Actually, I have two of them. I only need one. I'm going to get a glue stick, or here, I've just got some glue. And I'm going to use this guy, kind of like him. And I'm going to glue those down to the page with the dog. So we have our dog, right? Put him down on the page. We'll get the dog on the page. And then we'll see what comes next. And next is spritz and drip. Spritz and drip. All right, I'm going to get some colors, I think. Distress crayon. In some of those colors that we've been working with. And I'm just gonna put some of that up here along the top. Like so. Got all three of these colors. And then I'm going to hold that up. See if I can get it in the camera here. Use my water bottle wherever I put that. And I'm going to spritz and drip. Let's get a little more water on there. And it's dripping down the page. And I think I need a towel because it's really dripping. It's even dripping over there, which is okay. But I'm thinking I could probably use some more. And some more of that color. Get good and drippy, right? Yeah, good and drippy. Okay, so now that's all wet, let's dry it off. Okay, so I decided not to make you guys suffer through my putting the quote on here. It was a lot of rub-ons and gluing stuff down. You don't need to watch that, but what I did was this. As you saw, I carved into the wax that was on here. I embossed paper and I used that as a stamp. I put my dog on here. I spritzed and dripped up here on this corner with my crayons. And then I was thinking about a beautiful quote. I also used oil oil sticks and a palette knife and the colors blue and periwinkle on here. So I fulfilled all of the requirements for the Pick a Stick challenge. And you know, you don't have to do everything on here, but I like to do as much as I can. So this one is for hashtag Pick a Stick challenge 0919. Okay, so I put that on my page, and so the quote reads, "My fashion philosophy is, if you're not covered in dog hair, your life is empty." So that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have fun creating your page for Pick a Stick challenge, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.